Hey everyone, so today we'll be unboxing and reviewing the Intex notebook cooling pad, model IT-CP02. So CP02 simply means cooling pad 2. So let's get on with it. So here it is. The notebook cooling pad is transparent and it features a blue LED lighting, soft pads for the computer to sit on, and this kind of USB-C plug and play cable. So the features and benefits: it's slim and smart design, extremely heavy duty according to the box, power source supported easily by the plug and play, blah blah blah, no need any installation, compatible with any notebooks. So here's the specs: the speed of the fans, the speed, the noise level, rated voltage, rated current. I mean, you can pause it and read it if you want to. So the cooling pad features three fans, three 5-volt DC fans. So this is a really nice looking cooling pad because it's transparent and it easily adapts to the design of your workspace. It features these soft black pads, and here's the cable wiring under it. So the fans are a little bit small, but they are three fans, so it may work. Let's find out later in this video, since I will test if it really works and if it doesn't. So the whole cooling pad flexes a little bit, but it's not that big of an importance since the notebook will only sit in the sides, in the corners of the cooling pad. Also, the USB cable is not the same as what it said in the box. So let's test it out with my MSI P65. If you want to buy this laptop, check out the description below. So this is a 15.6-inch laptop and it clearly fits the cooling pad. Even though it's a little big, it still promotes airflow to the laptop. Well, this is one of those thin bezeled laptops, so it's a little bit small. So let's check it out, the LED fans. When we plug it to the computer, boom, the light is gonna turn on immediately and the fans will start turning. But the fans are not powerful enough. Well, keep watching why. You see, the airflow is only a little bit, and it's a little bit weak. It's actually weak. But when you raise the cooling pad, the airflow becomes much better. So what does that mean? It simply means that the cooling pad is, and the air under it, it cannot suck air under it because there's not much air under it. See, when the tissue is right here, it doesn't work, but when I raise the cooling pad a little bit, it then blows the tissue off the cooling pad. See that? So to solve this problem, to promote better airflow, all we need to do is just raise the cooling pad slightly. It's too close to the ground, that's why it's not having the powerful airflow that it really needs, especially with the three fans. So one of my options, one of the solutions I thought of is just add two objects at the back pit to promote airflow. So here's my solution. I added two objects. It's actually a cup at the back of the laptop, at the back of the cooling pad on the back two feet, and now it's as powerful as when you're lifting the cooling pad. And I've tried playing games with it, and keep watching to find out. So here I am. I'm going to play Apex Legends to see if the laptop cooling pad would work as it was intended to. So I raised the cooling pad off the table so it will have better airflow under the computer. So after 10 minutes of gameplay, here's the temperatures of my CPU and GPU. in the MSI Dragon Center. So my CPU is 64 degrees Celsius and my GPU is 67 degrees Celsius. And without the laptop cooler, my computer actually runs hot when playing games around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius of CPU temperature. But my GPU stays around 70 degrees Celsius. So I don't have a video to show that right now, but trust me, that's the normal temperature of my computer. So I do recommend this laptop cooling fan. It's actually sleek, simple in design, and it has 3 fans, not too big and not too noisy. So if you want to buy this laptop cooling pad from Intex, you can check the description down below and click the link that I supplied. So thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more videos like this, if you want to watch more unboxing and reviews, you can check out my channel here. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Click like. If you want more videos, click subscribe and check out my other videos too. So thank you for watching. Have a nice and wonderful day or night. Cheers.